Why you feel behind in life? What if I told you it's a trap? Chronic confrontation syndrome is called, according to psychology. Maybe you measure your time on other people's windows and you feel behind. Also on believing that there is a right age for everything. Maybe it exists, or maybe it doesn't. Who taught you that living is a ranking? In the chronic confrontation syndrome, every time you open a social network, you see other people's achievements. You belittle your achievements. Perhaps it is the quietest trap, feeling behind. Here, emotional dissonance exhausts you by chasing goals that are not yours. You freeze, procrastinate, or worse, you abandon goals because it's too late. In the long run, depression, chronic sense of failure. First step, stop feeling guilty and ask yourself, what have I already built that I no longer see? Second, follow us and share. You lack nothing. You are worth it to us. Who taught you that living is a race to see who gets there first? Let me know in the comments. In life, as the years increase, it is normal for lives to differ. The rhythm is neither forward nor backward. It's breathing. Sometimes you inhale, sometimes you exhale. Maybe you don't have to run. And remember, you're not behind. Don't doubt your results. Your time is not late. It's just different. If you want to compare yourself, do it with you of yesterday and you of tomorrow.